Ever wondered how to keep your camera lenses in pristine condition, even in the coldest climates? Whether you're a seasoned pro or a passionate hobbyist, this is a challenge many photographers face. Welcome to a world where we explore the art of maintaining camera lenses in cold climates. This is an essential part of photography that's often overlooked, but it's as important as knowing the right settings for that perfect shot. Step 1 is understanding the problem. Cold climates can cause condensation on your lenses, leading to potential damage. The key here is prevention. When you're out and about, keep your camera and lenses in a well-insulated bag. This will help to maintain a more consistent temperature and reduce the risk of condensation. Moving on to step 2, let's talk about acclimatization. Just like you need to adjust to a sudden drop in temperature, so does your camera gear. When moving from a warm environment to a cold one, allow your camera and lenses some time to acclimatize. This can be as simple as leaving your gear in the bag for a while before you start shooting. Step 3 involves the use of silica gel packets. These are your best friends in cold climates. They help to absorb any moisture that might build up in your bag. Keep a few of these in your camera bag at all times, and remember to replace them regularly. Step 4 is about cleaning. It's crucial to clean your lenses after each use in a cold environment. Use a microfiber cloth to gently remove any moisture or condensation. Avoid using your breath to fog up the lens for cleaning, as this can introduce additional moisture. Finally, step 5 is storage. When you're not using your camera, store it in a dry, cool place. Avoid drastic temperature changes and remember to remove the battery and memory card. So to summarize: 1. Prevent condensation by keeping your gear in a well-insulated bag. 1. Allow your gear to acclimatize to temperature changes. 1. Use silica gel packets to absorb moisture. 1. Clean your lenses gently with a microfiber cloth after each use. 1. Store your camera in a cool, dry place and remove the battery and memory card when not in use. Taking care of your camera lenses in cold climates doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these steps, you can ensure your gear stays in top shape, ready to capture those breathtaking winter landscapes with crystal clear precision. After all, the magic of photography lies in those perfect, undisturbed moments of beauty. And now, you're well equipped to seize them no matter the weather.